Ceramic coatings are wax on steroids. Imagine your car looking sleek, glossy, and pristine like the day you got it from the dealership, and having the ease of maintenance to be able to maintain that appearance for years instead of weeks or months like a wax or sealant. That's what a ceramic coating is. But coatings offer more than just that preservation and protection of the vehicle's appearance. It's a long-term investment in that appearance and your time and the pride and value you take in your vehicle. So ceramic coatings are a liquid polymer. It bonds to the surface, where waxes and sealants just kind of like they're a layer that just sits on top of the vehicle. These are the bottles that they come in. This is actually a two-part system. So we're putting down a base coat and a top coat. So we come down, put the base coat down, come back, put the top coat down. Usually get out of these ones 2 vehicles, and then you have a little bit bigger bottles. We can usually get like 4 or 5, maybe 6 vehicles on it. Again, it depends on the size of the vehicle. Bigger the vehicle, the more product we're going to use. And we can apply ceramic coatings to any surface of your vehicle. So the paint, wheels, plastic trim, headlights and taillights, the windows, even interior surfaces like your leather seats or fabrics to help prevent staining. What you're going to notice when you're comparing like waxes and sealants to the ceramic coatings is the waxes and sealants are more like kind of like a quick fix, where the ceramic coatings are a long-term solution. Waxes and sealants give you that short-term shine and slickness, but they break down quickly. Again, only lasting like a couple weeks to a couple months, and you got to reapply them again. And then with the climate that we live in, are you going to be reapplying that stuff during the wintertime when it needs it the most? Coatings are going to lock in that deep, rich gloss that you get from that wax or paint sealant. And then they're going to take that slickness up a notch. And you're going to have this ultra slick surface that's going to repel water, dirt, contaminants, anything that can cause any kind of chemical damage to the vehicle. Waxes and sealants don't have any kind of protection when it comes to chemical stuff. So like bird droppings, tree sap, bug guts, all that stuff can leave permanent marks in your paintwork, and the ceramic coatings can protect against that kind of stuff. The ceramic coatings are also going to make that, keeping that brand new appearance, cleaning and maintaining that is going to be effortless. When you get beyond the looks of what a ceramic coating offers, it's about the preservation. We're not only protecting it from the bug guts, the bird droppings, anything that can cause any kind of chemical damage, but you're preserving that appearance and maintaining that feeling you had when you first got your vehicle. And there's something powerful about that, because let's face it, when your vehicle looks good, you look and feel good. One of the biggest misconceptions we see is people believe that once they put the ceramic coating on their vehicle, they don't need to wash it anymore. It still requires maintenance, just like if you were to not have a ceramic coating on your vehicle. If you want it to last, it needs to be maintained. If you have that pride and you value your vehicle, you're already there. And the maintenance part of maintaining that coating to get it to last is going to be a breeze for you. I love the decision to get a ceramic coating because you're really elevating your driving experience. That excitement and enjoyment that you get from driving a vehicle that looks amazing for years is really kind of special. And if you place a lot of value on your vehicle, it's more than just something that gets you from point A to point B. Ceramic coatings are a great choice. So I hope this video helped you give a better idea of what ceramic coatings are, and I'll talk to you soon.